tell all the sexy girl, all of the boys and the girl, just be careful. People are conniving nowadays. Feel me? Watch me. Come me say, love me, make me live my life. Hey, love me, make me live my life. You know, see, I'ma get to you to try to survive. So with the bag of rat, it strive for. Love me, make me live my life. Hey, love me, make me live my life. You know, see, I'ma get to you to try to survive. So with the bag of strive for. Chop. Me notice that people love it talking about people. All when them don't know nothing about people. Them just sit down and plan a lot of evil. And then them want to disgrace people. Who no fi stop from talk, who no know. Who no fi stop from pose, who no know. Who no fi stop from act like who no know. Cause who no don't know me. No, oh, love me, make me live my life, fool. Love me, make me live my life. I'm just a ghetto youth that try to survive. So me no know where the bagger strive. Yo, love me, make me live my life. Hey, love me, make me live my life. I'm just a ghetto youth that try to survive. So me no know where the bagger strive. True, me say no to some people. Them a go on like them a study evil. Me no know what take them. Hey, me no know what take them. Hey, so me know say a enemy them. You know say a enemy them. You have some people want to be your friend. And when you tell them no, that you can't be my friend. Them turn Eden and them turn even. Them turn Eden and them turn even. Them not even trying to get even with you. Them only try to study evil against you. Me tell you all of them so no for what you know I do. Don't try to diss the man, cause you don't know. You don't know what gonna happen to you. Oh, you don't know what gonna happen to you. Stop from go around and talking things about people. Things that you know not really certain. You know attack shit out of your mouth. You know fi stop from chat. People no fi get to the program. You understand? The mama is work for the new tune because you have some people, you know. Them don't know you, and them go on like them know you. Them chat a bag of shit about you, but tell them say, Almighty God you praise. So you don't have time for watch them. You see me? I'm a career me a focus on, the music me a focus on. Tell some people to believe me. You feel me? I love one of my fans. Respect to the real people. Respect to the real friends. Bad out to the envy and the bad mind frenzy. Feel me? Seal me.